Senator Rodante Marcoleta promises to get answers as he leads an investigation next week into alleged irregularities in the flood control projects. Hannity has this report.
Open fire as the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, chaired by Senator Rodante Marcoleta, prepares to open its investigation on flood control anomalies next week. In an interview, he admits the task is daunting, but promises to expose how officials and contractors profit while communities suffer from substandard projects. Senator Ping Lacson is also jumping in. On social media, he earlier announced he's set to deliver his first privilege speech next week to support the president's call to expose so-called ghost and substandard flood control projects. Flood control seemed to be a favorite insertion in the national budget. BNC earlier got hold of a document surfacing hundreds of billions worth of insertions in the 2025 budget. Majority of the insertions were allegedly allotted to DPWH infrastructures. It was then announced by the president himself that the failed projects should be investigated and that those involved should be held accountable. The Senate isn't also just focusing on flood control. Marcoleta opened fire too on online gambling earlier this week, questioning the ownership of companies who may be involved in proliferation of online sugal. One of them is AB Leisure Exponent Incorporated, which he said runs well-known platforms like DG+. He then said the company sponsored comedian Vice Ganda's concert recently. The comedian went viral for her remarks on the senator.
Nagpapatawa po siya. Nakita niya yung dating Senador Grace po na nagtatawa. Natawa po at siguro naging successful siya. Napatawa niya si Senador Grace po. Bigla ba niya naman sinabi, tingnan niyo yung mukha ni Marcoleta kung matatawa kayo. Napakawalang hiya nung tao na yun, Mr. Chair. Ayaw ko na pong patuksin siya.
Marcoleta said such companies use celebrities to promote their brands while affecting ordinary Filipinos. He called on the Bangko Sentral to act on e-wallets used for gambling.
I believe, Mr. Chair, the BSP should issue a suspension order to e-wallet platforms to deny links to all these online game platforms para wala na pong pag-uusapan.
Marcoleta's Blue Ribbon hearing formally opens on August 19. Hannity, Billionaire News Channel.